Headaches, fatigue, and memory problems? You might have this deficiency. There are many possible causes of headaches, fatigue, and memory problems, so it's important to see a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions. However, certain vitamin and mineral deficiencies can also contribute to these symptoms. One of the most common vitamin deficiencies associated with headaches, fatigue, and memory problems is vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in several bodily functions, including the formation of red blood cells, proper brain function, and the maintenance of the nervous system. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to a variety of symptoms, including headaches, fatigue, and memory problems. Headaches are probably the most common symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency, and they can range from mild to severe. The exact mechanism behind this symptom is not entirely clear, but it may be due to changes in the blood vessels or nerves of the brain. Some people with B12 deficiency may also experience severe migraines. Fatigue is another common symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency and can occur even with mild deficiencies. This is because vitamin B12 is essential for the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. Without enough B12, the body is not able to produce enough red blood cells, which can lead to fatigue and weakness. Vitamin B12 is also essential for proper brain function, and a deficiency can lead to memory problems, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. This is because B12 is involved in the production of myelin, a substance that helps insulate and protect nerve cells. Without enough B12, nerve cells may not function properly, leading to cognitive symptoms. Other symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency can include numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, depression, and anemia. If left untreated, a B12 deficiency can lead to long-term neurological damage and other serious health problems. Supplementing vitamin B12 through food can be an effective way to ensure you are getting enough of this important nutrient. However, it's important to note that vitamin B12 is only naturally found in animal-based foods, so individuals who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet may need to look for fortified plant-based products or consider taking a vitamin B12 supplement. Here are some foods that are good sources of vitamin B12. 1. Meat and poultry. Beef liver, chicken liver, and clams are among the richest sources of vitamin B12. However, other meats like beef, chicken, and pork also contain vitamin B12. 2. Fish and seafood. Salmon, trout, and tuna are good sources of vitamin B12, as are shellfish like clams, shrimp, and crab. 3. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources of vitamin B12, as are other dairy products like cottage cheese and sour cream. 4. Eggs. The yolk of an egg contains vitamin B12, so eating eggs is a good way to supplement your intake. 5. Fortified plant-based products. Some plant-based products, such as breakfast cereals, plant-based milks, and meat alternatives, are fortified with vitamin B12. If you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet and are unable to get enough vitamin B12 through food, you may need to consider taking a vitamin B12 supplement. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.